Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Tech Future channel. Saurav this side. Today we will learn about syncing message center announcements to Planner, and it will recurring sync your announcements to Planner so that you can keep track of changes being announced by Microsoft. Because there are many times when admin has to take action. Otherwise, you will have some issue with your end user or your some systems will not work as expected. So it happens because a lot of notifications are coming there. That's why sometimes it is very hard to keep track of it. So let's jump to Message Admin Center and then let's see how we can configure it. So what you can do, you can either go to your home page and if you have Message Center there, you can click on Message Center, or you can simply come to this under Health Message Center. So here is the option, and you can see there are a lot of notification being shown here, and lot of those have admin impact as well. So simply we should be aware that what is happening, and wherever actionable, we should take action. So let's click on Planner Syncing. This is the particular option which allows you to sync your Planner content to Planner. So I'll click on Setup Syncing. OK, let's create a new planner, which is just for this purpose. So new plan, message center announcement, I think we can put. Keep it private because mostly it will be just for your admins. And you can later add your all other admins to this so that they get access to this board. OK, let's go back and we'll keep note of this new planner name. Let's put message center. OK, here we have. OK, you can either use the existing bucket, which will be to do by default, but I'll say let's start with not assigned because by default, anything which is coming up would be going to not assign, and it's your job to drag and drop to different buckets so that your admins can take action. OK, that's all on this page. Click next. I'll not change any option right now, but it's on you if you want to reduce the number of options are being shown to you in Planner. So right now I'll just keep it, but it is self-explanatory that you can change these different options and you will get only options which are needed for you. So, OK, keep all updates, all these type of categories and all these services. And again, you can uncheck the ones you want. So click next. Again, it is asking, can we sync older messages which are in your message center? So it allows, I think, until 28 days. So past 28 days. So I'll go for 14 days right now. And it's on you if you don't want to import any old ones. Click next. OK, now you're on the finish screen. Just validate your settings once more, and then you can click finish. The syncing would be very quick. So as soon as I finish, we'll see that again. This is about automatic syncing, and I'm just saying that do this every day. We'll talk about Power Automate later in another video. And OK, so let's click done. OK, if you go back to your plan and syncing, now you will get an option to sync now. So let's say in middle of the day, you want to just sync it again. You can click on sync now. Automatic syncing, we have it there. So it's already there. So OK, so we have to create this flow to make it working. Yeah, I think so. Let's click on sign in. Nice. So it's set up now. Create flow. Yeah, certainly we need this flow so that it will automatic sync. So, okay, now we have it running for every day. Planner will assign new messages to not assigned one. All these messages are being sent, and it is simply saying when it was updated. So if you go back to our planner, if I simply refresh this page, now you can see multiple new messages. So I'll suggest what you can do in general. What you can do, you can put a critical category, and based on that, you can move some of the critical category items to that section. Let's say this one is, let's say this is a critical category. Again, you can just put informational. Let's say something is just informational. And based on that, you can simply check mark and they will keep going into completed tasks. So you also keep track of it, that which ones are completed and which ones are not. So again, certainly you need somebody to be looking into these tasks on ongoing basis. And I'll suggest to keep this uncluttered, like move stuff from here or simply close them. Otherwise, you will not be able to keep track of it, that which ones are new one. So that's why you should generally come here and check mark or uncheck mark this based on your requirements. So that's all. This would be really nice to keep track of. And if you can, yeah, so I think we don't have much option, but let's say if you want to switch to another planner group planner, somehow let's say somehow you messed up or something happened, so you can come here and you can click on stop syncing as well. Yeah, so stop syncing, so it will clear up everything you created. And if you go back to this one, planner syncing, you are now again starting from scratch. So that's all for today. I think I hope this was very informative for you and it will help you to keep track of your message center announcements. And as you know, Microsoft loves to do a lot of changes very quickly. So keep track of it. Okay, thank you for joining and see you in next video. Thank you. Bye.